I just told you. Go. Nobody say me you no go shower. So wetin they talk?
Alright, so you saying that?
I say go. If you go shower, wetin they talk?
I'm starting proud.
Wait till the top.
When you telling me,
You ask me whether we fit shower. I said before. You did dear me pants wear you.
If you was talking about,
I see they see me so na shower.
Fucking English. What are you saying?
Not the English I speak so.
if I put something on your
So what the fuck is you saying?
I say me. And they go back. I don't know whether you still one day inside this uniform, but me. And they go back.
Oh, you're gonna go.
I tell you now, wait till they ask me.
Oh my, why you gotta make this difficult? You're gonna go bathe, right? You're saying you're gonna go bathe, but you don't know what I'm gonna do.
Okay.
What you saying?
You ask me whether I no shower. I say me, I dey go shower, sha.
What's gonna happen?
I don't know what you want to do. What you want to do? You want to stay inside that uniform?
No, I want to shower and go to bed.
The children of Umanuforo, meaning the descendants of 3 brothers who inhabited Ala Engele Ukuchi, the name that identify the animals from the other animals of the Oshimiri Ouwarre. Ala Engele Ukuchi means the land at the edge of God's stepping feet, the land of the people known as Enji, who now speak the language English, comprised of the group Ke and Ise. That was the insular Igbo Ouwarre. Not that Ogedish or Ogilish or Ogilese or Ogilish, either one refer to the tree that smell like ogiri in insular Igbo. Rich or lish or ish means that something is of some order or feel with that other thing. The tongue that is of NG, hence English transformed to English. Speaking good English does not make you an educated person. Speaking colonial language, which is English language, make you a real illiterate person. Speaking Igbo English, aka Pidgin English, make you an educated person. In fact, it is your pride, not colonial English language. the readers or followers or professors and students when an Onye Yoruba woman say quickie, she was referring to quick. When an Umuchiakagbo, now South African woman say equalo, she was referring to equal. When an Umukezo woman, now Nigeria, say question, she was referring to question. You guys wonder why in the past O was our original alphabet, but it is now replaced with U. For example, in the past, KOP is cop, but now O was removed from KOP, and KOP, it is now KUP. It did not end there. K was removed and now replaced with C, making it cop. What about certificate? S was removed from the original words, now replaced with C. What about Kate? K was removed, now replaced with C. What about can? K was removed, now replaced with C, making it can. To the readers or followers and professors, what about Quechua, our original words? K was substituted to Q, meaning from Quechua or Kubeki, now bastardized to now Kubek. What about quickie? KW was substituted to Q, comma, U and question mark. From Q /C/K to quick, comma, full stop. In closing, what about equal, now equal? It did not end here. What about equator, to now equator. That is part of the reason why we are all have a division in across this earth due to our bastardized Igbo languages. What you all know as PG English language, spoken in West Ouwarre today and some part of the world. It is known by the then ancients as Igbo English, aka Pidgin English. The so-called English language we all are busy currently speaking right now. It is created from Igbo English and its original mother tongue voice was changed and removed by the colonists. Our Igbo original words needed to be added to our local dialect in across this earth, most especially Igbo English. Then divisions and tribalism will be stopped instantly when the original Igbo words are all being added back to our local languages in across this earth.